Hi, this is the demo video for my DAOmocracy DApp for HackFS. This project was motivated by my experience with DAO governance. I identified three main problems. One is like DAO stands for dudes arguing online. There was just a lot of personal attacks and differences in opinion devolving into that. Two was information overload. Like as an individual, I want to be involved, but it's a lot to keep track of, the forums, the Discord and everything. And it's a definite time and critical thinking cost with no guaranteed benefit for individuals. And the third is the collective intelligence. So by having this low voter participation, because it is overwhelming, it leaves a lot of collective intelligence on the table that could help the DAO. And at the same time, having such low voter participation opens up this potential for abuse by the controlling group. So DAOmocracy approaches this with two principles. The first one is decision-making by random delegation. And by doing this, it still empowers everyone, invites everyone to participate while making it more manageable for the individual, because you don't have to vote on everything or think through everything, just the ones that you're delegated for. And also by doing this, it creates this sense of harmony, makes things a little bit more efficient, because you don't have to have elections, campaigning, and have this divisiveness about like a tribalism almost. You can keep decisions at the level of the proposal. And the second principle is rewards for votes that help the DAO. Because right now that voting, both in real life and online, is treated like a civic duty, and I think it should be treated more like a contribution, because it is that critical thinking and time cost. And the important thing we want to incentivize is informed decision making and not just the decision making. So I think the way of approaching that would be with a Schelling point. So if you match the consensus vote, you could get a reward. But for this demo, we're just focused on the random delegation piece. So I'll go into that. This is my favorite feature, changing colors here. I'll go ahead and connect. This is for the ENS name and avatar resolution. Right there, you can see this is built using scaffold ETH. And now we're going to go into propose. This is live demo 2, because this is my second take of the video. And this would be the amount that the proposer is asking for. Live demo 2. Okay, so when I click submit, this is going to submit a request to Drand. And honestly, seeing Drand in the HackFS bounty list was a godsend, because I had not heard of it before, and I was using Chainlink's VRF and was having a lot of trouble trying to do this on chain and hitting like a callback gas limit. So this was really great. And secondly, it's going to send a notification through push protocol, because it'd be really important for these random delegates to be notified that before it times out and the next random delegate would be selected. So when I click submit, we can go into the console. We'll see the random delegates right here, and then also the notification that this was sent to push protocol. So here are the three addresses that were selected, and now we can go over to push, log in. And we can see here that this is address 224, which is one of the random delegates, and they've been notified that they've been selected for this proposal. That's the demo. Thank you for watching. Hi, sorry, me again. I forgot to mention that for this demonstration, I've hard-coded a DAO of 5 members, and then I also, in push, made this channel and then added all of those DAO members to the channel and subscribed to them. In real implementation, the sample size would be based on a statistically representative number, which with like a 95% confidence interval, 5% margin of error, would be about 370 people for a DAO of 10,000, to put some actual numbers on that. And to walk through the code a little bit more, the Drand number is used to seed the random number generator, which is then used to select the random indexes from the member array, and then the random selected address array gets passed to the push for push SDK to notify those randomly selected members. Just wanted to include that for clarity. Okay, bye.